Hey, you guys, I am going to be bringing you guys some important information on how you can build your personal credit up to 100 points in 30 days. Now, today we have a primary trade line by the name of Kovo. Now, the good thing about this primary trade line is there is no credit check, there is no hidden fees, and everyone is approved. You can also earn 1% cash back on your loans. Now, the good thing about this primary trade line is they do report to all four major credit bureaus, which is TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, and Innovis. Now, you can also track your FICO score, which 90% of top lenders do use in order to do a credit check. Now, they do have rewards up to $1,225. That's 5 times more value than the cost of Kovo. Now, if you are looking to buy a new home or purchase a new vehicle, this primary trade line can definitely help you with higher odds for approval in order to build your personal credit. Now, you can lower your monthly interest payments when you have a higher credit score. Now, you can get this primary trade line in 3 easy steps. So, you will pay $10 a month for 24 months. They do report to all four major credit bureaus. And these courses that you will be paying for a month, you could pick up useful skills, find better outcomes. And again, they have up to $1,225 in cashback rewards. So you can get up to $250, up to $500 in a personal loan, and $75 for a credit card. Now, in order to unlock these rewards, you must make your first 4 payments on time in order to be eligible. Okay. Now, if you're wondering what kind of courses they offer, they have courses that are created by instructors to help you hit your goal. While these courses are altogether valued at over $400, they make them available as a collection for $240. Now, these courses that they have job interview skills, interview strategy and answer scripts, self confidence and self esteem and self awareness, entrepreneurship, and also how to start a business and business ideas, personal brand and path, to top 1% influencer personal brand, stress management with time management, business plan, sharpen your problems, solving potential with critical thinking, spreadsheets, intros to programming. So if you are not satisfied with your credit score in 30 days, you are also eligible for a refund. Okay, so I've never seen a primary trade line that helps you with any type of stress or business plan or entrepreneurship or self confidence and sharpen your problem solve potential with critical thinking. Never in history heard of any primary trade line like that. Now, the good thing again about this primary trade line is there are no setup fees, no membership fees, no annual fees, no late fees, no failed payment fees, no processing fees, and no prepayment fees, and just no fees at all. So, if you guys are looking for a primary trade line that could help you boost your credit score in 30 days, Kovo can be the primary trade line for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.